This is the learned information for the week 15 passage of Fix It 1, the nose tree. It's an extension of what we learned last week with adjectives and marking adjectives. This is an adjective can be, it's just any word that describes a noun, if you remember. But most of you have probably already learned it if you're on week 4 of this. There is also something we call a quality adjective, which not all adjectives are quality. Things like nice, good, fun, which don't really describe things clearly, are not quality adjectives. They can be adjectives, but they're not quality adjectives, so should not be marked as such. In my classes, a quality adjective is underlined and marked with a QA. To be a quality adjective, that word must fill this space, the blank pen. It should fit there. And not only that, it must give a strong image or feeling. A quality adjective should put a vivid picture into the mind of the reader. It's kind of the difference between saying something is good and saying something is educational. So educational means good usually, but in a way that's very specific. It means that you learn from it. So it shows how it's good in addition to the fact that it's good. So that's what we mean by a quality adjective. It's going to put a very vivid picture into the mind of the reader, help them understand more deeply than vague words would. So you are going to, each passage from now on, when you encounter adjectives, mark all your adjectives. And then what I want you to do is choose the best adjective in that four-day passage that you have and write down quality adjective on your page, maybe with your vocabulary words when you write the definitions. Write quality adjective and then list what you think was the best adjective, the most descriptive adjective that week in that passage. So that's just one little thing that we're adding on this week as you do your marking. Everything else will be the same, but pay extra attention to particularly great adjectives that you see in this passage. Then look for my corrections video to come up and you can make any changes that you need to make.